Do you want to know how you can get paid instantly with SuperPayMe and if it's even worth it? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I've tested hundreds of different ways to make money online, and I've also tested this platform for quite a few years by now, but many people have asked me for an updated SuperPayMe review, so that's why I decided to record this video where I'll show you exactly how it works and what it currently offers, and I will also show you $100 payment proof so you can see that it still does pay. So let's start by going over who can join, and SuperPayMe is a get paid to site that is free to join, and you can join from basically all countries. Exactly how many opportunities there are will vary from country to country, and we'll go over the full earning potential later. But let me just reveal right away that it is legit, it actually does pay. I will also show you payment proof so you can see that for yourself. But let's start by going over how you can earn. So I'm now logged into my platform and it has several ways to earn. One of the good ways to earn is paid surveys. You can see the current survey routers it has here. It has cooperations with many different survey partners. So all these different ones here, they have several surveys available. So you would just choose one, click it. You sometimes need to reply to these profile questions the first time that you use one of these providers there, and then just basically answer the surveys. But of course, you need to be aware that when you use survey routers like this, the disadvantage is that you will not qualify for all of them. So depending on your profile, sometimes it can take a little bit of patience to find the service you qualify for. But the advantage is that SuperPayMe has a huge amount of surveys because it works with so many different survey providers. And it also does pay, I would say, a little bit above average for the paid service here compared to many other get paid to sites in my experience. The next important way you can earn in here is through what's called offer walls. You can see the current offer walls it works with here. Sometimes new ones are added. I've seen that happen regularly over the years where I've used it, and these are the current ones as of recording this video here. So each of them have several different options. It can be to download apps, sign up for other platforms, to sign up for free trials. In general, paid offers can give quite good earnings, but always choose carefully. When you click an offer, read it. Like each of these offer walls has some of them have hundreds of paid offers. So click each offer, read carefully what the conditions are, because sometimes you need to do a certain thing within 7 days, within 30 days, or you need to do something. Sometimes you even need to invest something. So read the exact conditions so you know what to expect before you do it. And then once you've completed it, you will get paid. Just make sure you don't use like an ad blocker, because then they won't be able to track it and then you actually cannot get paid. So that's quite important to be aware of. SuperPayMe offers another really unique opportunity to earn. They have this cash contest every quarter where the top 20 members that earn the most money actually win a cash prize. So it is a leaderboard contest every 3 months, so every quarter. So they will calculate all the earnings. You can see the current top earners here at the time of recording this video here. So the top earner after 3 months there will earn an extra $350. Second place they get $20. The next one $100 there. So if you end up in the top 20 there, of course that requires quite a bit of effort. It also means that you need to live in a country where there's quite a lot of opportunities. But if you end up here in the top, see like $350 extra there. It's one of the best cash contests I've seen on a get paid to site. So definitely something to keep an eye on, like see where you are on the list. If you're kind of getting closer to the top, put in a bit of extra effort, because that can mean some nice extra earnings. But of course, depending on where you live, your profile and all that, that will be hard to reach. But if you do happen to there, then it's definitely a great contest. But let's now talk about how you can get paid, so we can also go over the payment proof. I'll show you now here live that I actually withdraw. So I'll now jump to the withdrawal section. The exact payout options can vary a little bit from time to time, but overall, the whole time I've been a member, they offer, for example, PayPal, and they also offer instant PayPal. They also offer Skrill, sometimes also I've seen Vice, sometimes they've also seen like a Bitcoin or Amazon gift card. So they have tried some different options. Sometimes some are out a little bit. Sometimes they're back there, but what I do like is that they in general have good payout options no matter where you live, and you can get paid in cash. And they have this 8-hour payment promise, which is quite unique for Get Paid to Site. So that is that they promise that you will get paid within 8 hours. Just be aware that, of course, only if you do things honestly. If you try to cheat, you will get banned instead. And the first time you withdraw, maybe there's an extra verification process. So that's what you need to be aware of. But they also do have instant PayPal, so you can actually get paid instantly, but that will be a maximum of $50 you can do daily. So for the purpose of this video here, I will choose the regular PayPal option there because I want to show $100 payment proof, and then that can take up to 8 hours in my experience, because I've used it for years and my account has been used for years there. So then it usually takes a lot less than 8 hours, but it can take up to 8 hours. So you just need to be aware. You can see there is a fee for the payout options. They say that very clearly, so that would be a 2% fee. So here I'll just write what I then want to withdraw. So if I withdraw like $102, then it will be approximately $100 I will get out. Then I just put my PayPal email address, and of course I blurred that out, but then I just need to submit the withdrawal request. And that was it. You can see here, then it says the request has been received and will be processed in under 8 hours. So here I will also leave a screenshot of the email I get from PayPal, so you can see the money actually did go into my PayPal account. There I will also write exactly how long it took for me to get that money. But in general, it's a very fast way to get paid here on SuperPayMe. And as you can see, you can also use the instant payout option. It's just smaller amounts, and many people have asked me if I could like withdraw a bigger amount, so I wanted to show that. But let's now talk about how much you can overall earn, because I know a lot of you will be asking that. So when it comes to the overall earning potential, I know many people will ask, how long did it take you to earn that $100? And the thing is, this will vary a lot from country to country. And also, to be completely transparent, yes, some of my earnings are of course from inviting people, because I have my YouTube channel, I have my website, paid from surveys, and I have a lot of information about different things, and some people like that information have decided to support me by joining through my invitation link. And that also means some of my earnings are from inviting people, and I just wanted to be transparent about that. So that also means that if you join and invite others, yes, then you can also boost your earnings. And in general, you can't just compare yourself with someone else, because a lot of it depends on the country you live in. In some countries, you definitely have days where you can earn $10, $20 on SuperPayMe, sometimes maybe even more if you take some of the higher paying offers. In other countries, you might have a hard time earning $1 to $2 per day, because you might live in a country where there's not a lot of paid service available. And that's why the best idea you get is by actually looking at the previous leaderboard from the previous period of 3 months there, to see like what are some of the top earners actually making here on SuperPayMe. Because you can see here the first place, like, so that means like the previous period from recording this video here, the top earner earned $1,600. It's important to note that these earnings are earnings by doing offers and surveys. This is not by inviting friends. So that means this is the earning potential of the top earners without having to invite others. And that's what I want to show, because that's what is important in general to understand the full earning potential. So you can see some people have made, like $500 over 3 months. Some have made $1,000. One person have made like $1,600. That means like more than $500 per month this person has made here. But that is of course not possible for everyone. That requires you to live in a country where there are quite a lot of paid service, where there are a lot of paid offers, and it requires you to be quite active. But this gives you an idea of the overall earning potential. This is not the average. This is not guaranteed earnings, but this is the potential for very active people in countries with a lot of offers and surveys. So as you can see, SuperPayMe is legit. It does pay. I've been using it for years, and if you do things honestly, it definitely pays quickly, and I really do like that it pays so fast compared to many other Get Paid to sites, and it has a very low payout threshold. You only need to earn $1 to be able to take out your earnings. It's also one of the lowest payout thresholds on a Get Paid to site. So overall, definitely one of the better Get Paid to sites, as long as you of course do it with the right expectations. If you decide this is for you, I'll leave a link below to a full written review I have on my website. At the top of that, there is a joining link, so you can easily just go there and join, and then you can start earning. And if if you already have used it, please feel free to share your experiences and your results in a comment below. That would be great to hear. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.